Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 14.2 of chapter 14, statistics, the third question. So let me read that out to you. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days is as follows. So these are the these are the observations. So there are 30 observations regarding the percentage of humidity, relative humidity. We need to construct a grouped frequency distribution table, that's FDT for a frequency distribution table, with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88 and so on. So 84 to 86, the class size is 2. How? We have 85, 86, right? For which month or season do you think this data is about, and what is the range of this data? So on the basis of the frequency distribution table that we will draw, we will write the conclusions for these two. So now we've been given with the starting class intervals, which is 84 to 86, 86 to 88. But what would be the last class interval? We do not know that, but we can obviously understand that through the observation. So we are going to take the highest observation and then accordingly mark the last class. So you have the highest observation as 99.2. So what would be the last observation that we will have? It would be, see, 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92 and so on up to 98 to 100, because this observation will lie in the category 98 to 100. So let's write down the let's construct the frequency distribution table, wherein we will fill in for the relative humidity, the class intervals, then the tally marks and accordingly the frequency by using these observations. So let's get started. I have 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98 and 98 to 100. And finally we will do the total. So the total will be listed here, where the frequency is the total number of observations, so that needs to be 30 because we have taken 30 days out here. Okay, so let's get started with the tally marks. So I'm going to use different colored chalks. Now for all those observations that lie in this category 84 to 86. So all the observations which are greater than equal to 84 and less than 86. So let's see. In the first row we do not have anything. In the second row, no. In the third row, no. In the yes, we have this one in the fourth row. So 84.9. So one tally mark. Anything here? None. So let's write this down. The frequency is 1. Okay. I'll just write it with a different colored chalk because I think it is a little invisible. So 1 tally mark and the frequency is 1. Okay, let's proceed with the class interval 86 to 88. So in the first row we have 86.5. So 1. Let's check the second row, 86 to 88. There's none. So again 1. How about 88 to 90? So 88 to 90. So you have 89.2, 1. Then you have 88 to 90. You have another one, 89. So let's put a 2. So that was the last observation that we noticed. So this is going to be 2. How about 90 to 92? So 90, you have 1. 90 to 92. You have another one here. Anything else? No. So here again this is going to be 2. Let's check for 92 to 94. So 92 to 94, you have 1 here. So 1 tally mark. 92 to 94. You have another one here. 2. Then you have 3. Then you have 4. You have 5. Let's see if we are missing out. We have another one here. So 6. and there is another one here, another one 7. So this is 7. Let's check for 94 to 96 now. So 94 to 96, you have 1 here, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So I'm going to club this tally mark as a group of 4. Let's continue. 94 to 96. So another one here, and 6. Alright, let's proceed to this group 96 to 98. So 96 to 98, you have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm sorry, this is 97.3, so 6 and 7. And let's check 98 to 100. Now what you could do is you could club these and add these and subtract from 30. You will get the number, but we can't really be sure because we might be missing out on some data belonging to these categories. So we are going to just strike off using the usual method. So let's continue 98 to 100. This one belongs to 98 to 100. 98 to 100, another one. 98 to 100, 3. Here, anything that's missing out? 4. So any observation that we have missed out, if we are not sure, what we have to do is we have to calculate these and the total should be 30. So let's check if the total of the frequency, that is the total number of observations, is 30 here. So 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, plus 2, 26, then 27, 28, 29 and 30. So we have striked off each of the observation. Now this is the frequency group frequency distribution table for these observations. We now need to write answers to the following. That is, for which month or season do you think this data is about? Now let's see the question for this. They're talking about the relative humidity in percentage. Now we know that, see, the maximum, see, you have 1, 1, 2, 2. Now you have large values out here, 7, 6, 7, 4. Now the relative humidity is, we know that it's usually high in the monsoon season. So which season is this for? It is for monsoon. Why? Because relative humidity is high in monsoon, or instead of monsoon you can even write rainy season. Okay, now the range. So what do we know about the range? The range is the difference between the highest number, the highest observation and the lowest observation. So which is our highest observation? Let's box it. We have seen this earlier. It is 99.2. And which is the lowest observation? Let's check. Our lowest observation, I think it was something, this is 84.9. Okay, yeah. This is your lowest observation. So the difference between these two numbers is going to be your range. Let's write this down. Range is equal to highest observation. So I'm just writing OBS for observation minus lowest observation. So this is equal to 99.2 minus 84.9. So let's do this calculation separately. 99.2 minus 84.9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, you get 8 here. So 8 minus 4 is 4 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So the range is 14.3. So this is the solution to the third sum. Please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.